I'll be fucking putting some of these tiles down. I'm starting to lay these tiles out in here where I put hardy board down on the ground yesterday. And Ursh will be fucking digging that border out right there and taking some of that fucking 1x10 and starting to build some concrete forms and shit. To fucking pour some concrete out there to fix the places in the driveway that was fucked up. So that's where we're at today. Dave's making steaks. Ursh is fucking digging and shit out to make his forms. And I'm fucking getting ready to fucking put some tile down in his kitchen so he can fucking have us a new kitchen. And I decided yesterday I'm going to move that wire right there up into that fucking cabinet and put an outlet up there so that I can put mount a microwave under that cabinet, a 30-inch microwave. That frees up a lot of fucking counter space and stuff since there's not a lot of counter space in here. It's somewhat limited. You're going to have a sink right there. And it's going to come over here. So, I mean, I guess you could put, some people might want to put their coffee maker and stuff right there or who knows what, but if you put the microwave up there, then that gives them a whole lot of counter space in that little cabinet. And unfortunately, that's the only place we have for fucking refrigerators. And no matter what way you put it, it's kind of fucked up because the door hits it. But it's a 65-year-old house, what can I say? And their pantry is looking good. I took that door off the pantry because I'm going to have to fucking cut that down to fit it. So that's where we're at today on day 38 of our house renovation. The first thing I want to do is usually I would go to the middle of the door and have my tile sitting right in the middle of the door. But the way this floor was laid out, and I could look at the old 12 by 12 tiles, is they go all the way across and all the way across that way. So I'm going to make all my cuts underneath of the edge of them cabinets and on these pantry side over here. So the first tile I'm going to lay down, I'm going to go ahead and install it in the corner, and that might not be how a lot of people start laying tile, but it's how I choose to do it on this job. And I'm going to have to cut a hole. So I'm running a square from the outside wall, and I struck a measurement, and I know that right there is about where my fucking hole's got to be at from my water line coming in for the refrigerator, for the ice maker. And I got my hammer drill with a fucking big old fucking masonry bit on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead on and drill a hole in this tile and slide it down over that water line. Shit like that. Just to make the form just for the new driveway. I'm raking it out and tamping it down. And I'm fucking filling up water for my tile sauce and I'm going to start putting tile down. Now we're at the end of day 38 of our house renovation. And I've got all the bad cuts, all the ones that are difficult to cut and fit around up inside that fucking pantry right there. So that's a good little foundation to come in here tomorrow morning and fucking start laying tile and go ahead on and finish it. I'm even going up underneath the dishwasher and fucking over with the stove and the oven and all that shit. So this is our cold steel tile, and it's going to have a DeLorean grade grate in between the grate lines. And I'm saying I'm almost halfway done. I'm have to stop in the morning and get another bucket of mud and shit. And whatever tile that I got left over here is going to go in the bathroom closet. And I hear they fucking got the form poured for the concrete for the driveway. They took a saw and cut all that shit out. Built a form. Damn, this shit look good as fuck, dude.
Yeah, we just gotta cut some more stops, but I'm gonna pull a string line to make sure we get them straight.
Yeah. That's right, you gotta put a string line on it, cut some stobs. Gotta cut that joint too, right?
Yeah, probably so.
Yeah. So that's where the driveway is coming along. So probably in another day or two, we'll get a concrete truck out here and get some concrete poured. Get that knocked out of the way, and that'll be done. A couple of more small things left to do outside the house, and we'll be done work ourselves out into the heat. Oh, you put that toilet up there for Roy?
Yeah, I'm gonna load that toilet and try to take the water around.
That's cool. So everything out here is starting to get all cleaned up. The yard is cleaned up. The form for the fucking driveway is done. Ready for concrete, just about. And I gotta go ahead and get me a fucking microwave to go up over top of the oven. Gotta go buy an oven too. It's a microwave up there. Then I finish this tile, cold steel tile. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. And hit the like button. Hey! The earth's fucking head. You got a fucking hand, look, can't leave that one out. Pretty crazy motherfucker. Damn. Anyway, shit. I'm gonna put some transition strips in between the fucking doors and stuff like that. And that's what your kitchen looks like so far. I'm gonna go down to the granite to Signature Stone and pick a remnant out of some granite and get an undermount sink put in. We repurpose the old dishwasher and then hook all the plumbing and everything up. Probably put some quarter round down in here. Do some touch-up painting. And then this room will be done. And then we'll move on. I still gotta go in here and sand that shit down on that fucking ceiling and paint the ceiling in the living room again. And I gotta put the ceiling fan up. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit this like button. Hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And if you got any questions, leave a question in the comment section. And I will get back with you. Or you can leave a question in the email, peninsulaimp@gmail.com. It's in the channel description. So, have a good day and stay tuned for tomorrow. Day 39 of our house renovation.